Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium in Grammar, chapter number 7. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is Adjectives. What? Adjectives. And I have given the information about the adjectives, different kinds of adjectives. Yesterday I talked about what? Adjectives. These three: demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive adjectives, and we got the answer of this exercise. Then making comparison, how to make adjectives, we learn. Then today I am going to tell you about the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. So there are three types of degree. How many types of degree? Three types of degree. The first one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. So in positive degree, we do not do anything, we just write the adjective whichever is given. Just as the sweet, bright, great, old, strong, dear, fast, large, brave, fine, wide, able. We do not do anything, we just write. Just the example here given: Mercury is a small planet. Mercury is a small planet. This is the adjective. Here given the small. We do not do anything. Then the comparative degree. Which degree? Comparative degree. In this degree we do only one thing. Whichever adjective is given, we write er. What? Er after the adjectives. See here: sweet, then er, sweeter; bright, brighter; greater, older; stronger, dearer; faster, larger, braver; finer, wider, and abler. See, Mercury is a small planet. This is the example. How can we change it? See, Mercury remains same, to be formed remains same, but here one change. A articles remove then, and a small change into smaller. Then one more thing we do. Then add then. After adding er, we write then. Smaller than Saturn. Okay, in comparative degree we do this. After adjective we write er, then write then. THAN. If in comparative degree or superlative degree, if the adjective is greater means more than given the 2 or 3 syllables, just given this beautiful words: beauty and full, 1, 2, 3 and 4 syllable, different parts. So parts differently. More than 3 syllable, we write more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. Okay, now see, Mercury here example. Mercury is a small planet, comparative degree. Mercury is a small planet, positive degree. How can we change it? Mercury is smaller than Saturn. Then in superlative degree, we change what? Er cut and then cut. But before this one adjective, we write what? The. Mercury is the. Then small. That is the adjective. Then er cut, then write est. What? Est. Smallest of all the 8 planets at this thing. All the 8 planets. Mercury is the smallest of all the 8 planets. That is the sentence. So you keep in these things. In positive, remain same adjective. In comparative, er. In superlative, write est of the given adjective. Then next, See here given pretty. Here given the Y letter. See, Y letter change into I. Y letter change into I. And write what? ER. If given Y before what? Consonant. Consonants are given before Y. So we remove the Y and adding I and ER. In what? Comparative. And I and est write after the adjective in superlative. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Greedy, greedier, greediest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Okay. Then here given some word which hot, hotter, hottest. Given more means one more word double. We go double the last letter and write er and double and est. Okay. How? If the letter is given means the adjective is given hot, the last letter is consonant, before that letter vowel, and before that letter consonant means consonant vowel consonant is given, then the last letter is going double, and then write er in comparative and est in superlative. See, hot, hot, sad, sad. Sad means consonant vowel consonant. Consonant vowel consonant in thin and big. Consonant vowel consonant. Okay. So you keep in your mind that the vowel. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels. You keep in your mind. Then the positive: broad, broader, broadest. Lean, leaner, leanest. This is how we change it. Here given, see, the famous, more than 3 syllable. Fe, then mas, us. Okay. Given the, if you do not know, if you find A, O, U more than 2 or 3 in a sentence, 3 in a word, what? Vowel. You find 3 vowel in a word, then you add more in what? Comparative. What? In comparative. More famous, more beautiful, more difficult. In difficult, double I and U, 3. Okay. In most, you write in superlative. There are some words, they are totally changed in comparative and superlative. So see, which are the words? If we write good in positive, we write better in comparative and best in superlative. If the word is given bad in positive, so we write worse in comparative and worst in superlative. If the word is given far, then comparative write farther and farthest. Then the word is see, the same. Far is given further and furthest. For position, here given the distance. If the distance is given far, showing the distance, then you write farther. If showing the far, then what? Position given, then write further. Then little, less, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Uncountable and countable noun for that. And here given the fill in the blanks. What? Fill in the blanks. Let's see what we do with this. Here given the instruction, read the following passage, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjective. We write the correct form of the adjectives given in the brackets. One has been done for you. Given the largest. Why here write largest? Because of here given the before the blank. That is why here the superlative degree is used. When we refer to size, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Now see, in the second, Mercury is blank among all planets. Here also the is used and the word is used tiny. So we write TINIEST. Remove Y and I with EST. Tiniest among all the planets. Why? Because of this is the superlative degree. though Mars is also blank planet. Blank here, Mars is also a blank planet. Here use what? Here no then is used after the blank and no the is used before the blank. So here only write small. What? Small means the positive degree. Small planet. It is blank then is used. Where then is used? If then is used, that means this is the comparative degree, and here use big. So what we write? Bigger. What we write? Bigger than Mercury. Then Venus is blank then is used. So what we write here? Smaller. Smaller than the Earth. Smaller than the Earth. But is used. But blank than Mars. But blank then is used. So here also write what? Bigger. Bigger than Mars. Then the blank. It is the bright of all planets. Here use what? The. If the is used, which degree here is used? Superlative. Means EST. Then write bright. So we write what? Bright and write EST. Brightest. Brightest. The brightest of all planets. It is because of its brightness that is called the morning star. Saturn is blank than Jupiter and given the small. So what we do here? Smaller. What? Smaller is given. Smaller than Jupiter. But blank than all other planets. Here than is used. So what? Big the word. So here write bigger. Bigger than other planets. Then the right. It has blank moons. It has blank moons than any other planets. Than is used. And what? Many. Many is used in positive. But comparative degree is used. So what we write? More. What we write? More. Why? More moons than is used. Than means comparative. So we write more. M-O-R-E. More than any other planets. Then Saturn has as many as 18 moons. Uranus, the 7th planet, is blank in size. Blank in size. Here given large size but blank in weight. So Uranus, the 7th planet, is blank in size. So what we write here? Large. But here given about this size. Not given the. Though we not given then, though we write larger because of the size. Planet is larger in size or large in size but blank in weight. So what we write here? Here larger and here lighter. Lighter. Why? In weight, then write, then Neptune. That is why here write. Here then is given. So in these two blank, large, so write larger, and light, so write lighter. Then Neptune. Okay. Then in spite of being blank in size, then is used, and small. So what we write here? Smaller in size than Uranus. Neptune is blank in weight. Neptune is blank in weight. So what we write here is heavier in weight. This is the continuous sentence, that is why. Okay. So this is how we complete it. In the next page, see. Second, complete the following sentence using the appropriate forms of the adjective choosing from those given. Look at the picture for clues. See the picture here. Nadia is blank than Rohini. Here given what? Then. So which word is given? Comparative degree, taller. Taller is the correct answer. Number B. Grace is the is used. Whenever you see the before the blank, that means the sentence is superlative degree. So the shortest come. Now the third, Rohini is blank and then comes just as the first one. Then comes the answer is shorter. Then the D1, Nandya is given. The given, then the tallest. Then E, Rohini has very blank hair. Not the before the blank, not then after the blank. So this is the positive degree. Though short answer is correct. F, Grace's hair is blank, then Nadia. Then is given. Longer, ER come with the adjective longer come. Then G, Nadia's hair is blank, then Rohini. Then comes then what? Darker. Then Grace's hair is used. So what? Longest is the correct answer. So this is the chapter number 7 adjectives completed. I hope you understand about the adjectives and you write this exercise in your notebook, only this one. Thank you.